friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video we are going to see about how to create a notification in Android Studio. Let's see. When I click this button, see the notification is showing is, and I will also delete from the notification, but see how to create. Let's start. First I will remove his constraint layout, and instead of the constraint layout I will use here a linear layout, and I will delete a text view and take a button, and text will be click here, and I will give here ID for the button, and the button is showing on the top of the screen, therefore I will give gravity center. See, designing part is complete. Let's go to main activity.java. Here for the notification we require to add a channel ID, that is private static final string, and here I will give channel ID. You can give any one string in the string format. I will give this one. The notification ID is also required for the notification static final, but in the form of the integer notification ID, and I will give 100. You can give anything, that is 1, 2, 4, anyone. And we have to declare here the notification manager, and we have added a button to our XML file, therefore the button will be here completed, and we should find the ID of our button r.id.btm, right? And whenever we click on the button, our notification is showing, therefore we should set the set on click listener on the button, therefore button dot set on click listener, new view on click listener. In the on click, whenever we click the button, the notification is showing, and in the notification the image will be showing, therefore we have to use the drawable here, drawable resource compat dot get resource, and here we are taking the image from our drivable folder, therefore here the drivable folder is used r dot drivable, and here after r dot drivable, here the name of the image view is required, and we have to paste the image in our drivable folder. Let's go to my image folder, and I will select this image, copy, and I will paste in the drivable folder, right? And here r dot drivable dot get comma null, right? After that, bitmap drivable equals to bitmap drivable bitmap icon. Here we have to declare our notification service from the Android operating system. Therefore, notification manager is equal to notification manager get system service. This will call our system service from the Android Studio. That is our, we are getting the service that is called notification service, notification service, and notification 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 notification. And after that we are showing our notification on the main activity. Therefore we have to, sorry, here we have to create a notification channel for our notification. Therefore notification manager dot create notification channel. This will create our notification channel on the notification. New notification channel and channel id comma new channel notification manager dot, and this and important side, this is the priority of our notification, and simply this is showing the URL. Click on the red bulb and surround with this if version.stk on the version codes. Great. And in this the curly bracket we are going out, we are going to add our image, our notification subtext contains states our image in this if condition. Dot here, and we are showing our notification on the our main activity. Therefore here I will contains equal to new notification dot builder and main activity. This will show the activity, this will show the notification our main activity, and here I will set large icon and our dot set small icon r dot drivable dot, and the image we have add in drivable folder dot get, right. After that set the context text, and the text will be new message. You can give anything, and also we can give here subtext. Anyone can you give, I will give here message from college, right. And here we have to give here the set channel id. We have created channel id, that is channel id, right. And also build method can build our notification, right. And here we have to give here else condition. In this else condition I will copy this, paste it here, channel id not required here. Simply I will and notify Lastly, notification ID, comma notification. Here our work is done. Let's run our application. See, our application is launched, and when I click this button, see, our notification is showing, and I can delete it from here. Thank you for watching this video.